The 77-cent support level for the Nexo US dollar is an area of strength in a pretty big way. 62 cents are exchanged for $1 US at Nexo, which is very important. Nexo's 24-hour trading volume is currently at 228.5218, where they thought it was down about 2.54 in the last 24 hours. 16 to 22 July 2023. In this video, we'll walk you through an EXO cost exam for now or for all practical purposes a week from now, and we'll try to answer some of the most frequently asked questions about important problems. Facts: what are the short-term price predictions for Nexo? Is Nexo generally a good investment? What are Nexo's support and resistance levels? Before we get too deep into Nexo-specific analysis, let's talk about the economy, which is usually very important. A look at the market over the last 24 hours shows that there has been a loss of 1.84. Taking the total value of all digital currencies to $1 trillion. 177,11256,1953 in a very big way, the total amount of money exchanged stays at 20,577,638,4440. Pretty further look at how Nexo is down about 2.54 in the last 24 hours in a quiet way. Bitcoin has 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a strength of 16.33, which shows that Bitcoin is more popular. 0 to 8 July 2023. In this video, we'll sort of take you through an EXO cost exam for now or a week from now, and we'll try to answer the questions that come up most often. We'll also try to explain some facts. What is the short-term price outlook for Nexo? Nexo has a lot of smart money behind it, which is what caused Bitcoin's price to drop by 0.54 to $30,231.42. They also thought that other digital currencies, like Ethereum, would drop by 0.65 to 1860.73, which is very important. These things really show that the market is going down for the foreseeable future. Nexo's 24-hour trading volume is currently at $2,285,218. This is a very important number because, contrary to what most people think, the entire cryptocurrency market is currently in a very bad slump. Nexo support and resistance support in opposition are important technical indicators used to find key price levels where the trend can change. These events show that the market is actually going down at the moment. Really look more like how 24-hour trading volume for Nexo is actually moving at $2,285.218, which is a very important level. Support is a level where buyers become more active and keep the price from falling further, or so they thought. Opposition is a level where sellers become more active and keep the price from going up. Nexo is down about 2.54 in the last 24 hours, which is a big drop. Here are its support and resistance levels. Nexo execution. The real current price of Nexo is 62 cents. And there have been 22.85/218 trades in the last 24 hours. Beyond 24 hours, this shows that Bitcoin has 49.89% of the opening market, while Ethereum has 16.33%, which shows that 16 to 22 July 2023. In this video, we'll show you how to figure out how much Nexo is worth right now or in the next week or so. We'll also try to answer some of the most common questions about Nexo. For example, is it a good investment? In spite of what most people think, the value of Ethereum has gone down by 0.65 and is now worth $1,801.63. Nexo price analysis for 16 to 22 July 2023 insight and especially daily time span clearly explained below, showing how Bitcoin has 49.89% of the enter market while Ethereum has 16.33%, showing that 16 to 22 July 2023. In this video, we'll walk you through the Nexo cost study for now or for really a week from now. We'll try to answer some of the most important questions that come up regularly. What, all things considered, is an especially short-term cost estimate for Nexo? Nexo is, at its core, A very smart interest and a kind of big way we use in everyday life. Index of Relative Strength RSI moving about average union and uniqueness MACD backing levels and obstruction levels different time span moving midpoints. Including kind of simple moving, basically standard small and dramatic moving in every practical sense. Average EMA2 in a real sense look at how the Nexo will change in the future. Backing made of Nexo and opposition support and resistance are important technical indicators used to find key price points where a trend can change. These events show that the market is really going down at the moment. All things considered. The 24-hour trading volume for Nexo in general is currently at $2,285,218. In a really significant way, Nexo has broken all of its buy and large support levels, and things don't look good for the crypto market. Facts. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, approved BlackRock's latest application for a spot Bitcoin ETF. On its website, the governing body recognized that BlackRock had filed an ETF in a section for ETFs filed in the third quarter of the year. Along with BlackRock, a few other top asset managers also sent in papers that were accepted by the SEC. On the site, there were also job applications from Fidelity, WisdomTree Funds, VanEck, Galaxy Digital, and Invesco US. It's important to note that top investment companies like ARK Invest, 21 Shares, and Bitwise Invest have already passed this stage with their Bitcoin ETF applications. Key players in the cryptocurrency market have said what they think about the new change. People in the market have all had good things to say about the change on the SEC's website. James Seifert, a research expert for Bloomberg who writes about crypto and Bitcoin, seems to think that the market is already doing well. We're off to the races, he said, adding that the application from Valkyrie Funds is next. It's important to note that this is only one of many steps that must be taken for the SEC to accept ETF applications. But the steps don't make a difference in the clearance process, as Seifert told it. Given how things have been going lately, I have to think that Valkyrie Funds application will be approved on Monday. Also, as I said yesterday, this is just a step in the process and does not mean that these will be accepted. Just that the process has started officially. Meanwhile, the news that Europe is getting ready to start its first spot Bitcoin ETF has made people more excited about the approval of a Bitcoin spot ETF. Jacobi Asset Management, the company in charge of selling the Bitcoin ETF, says that the ETF will go live in July.